Hello again, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will explain the 20% scalping strategy for meme coins, and I will show you why this is one of the safest ways to make money as a beginning trader. Scalping is about two things: managing your risk and locking in your profits early. Scalping is a fast-paced trading strategy where you try to make many small profits by buying and selling a coin within minutes or even seconds. Instead of holding a coin for the long term, a scalper enters and exits quickly, grabbing small price movements. Here's how it works. Start by allocating a fixed percentage of your portfolio to one specific meme coin, so even if the coin goes to zero, it's not going to wipe out your entire investment. When your coin grows by 20% or more, you sell your position, or a portion of your total amount of tokens, to secure your gains. You can also choose to take profit at 10% instead of 20% if you are a more careful trader. It's up to you what you do. By limiting your exposure, you are protecting your portfolio from the crazy volatility of the meme coin market, and you don't need to panic sell everything when a coin takes a nosedive. Scalping also builds discipline. Instead of just holding on to a coin and hoping for it to moon, you are training yourself to take profits regularly. This is a skill that will save you a lot of money in the future. Trading is all about capital preservation. Taking small profits allows you to recover your initial investment fast, so you are playing with house money. It's a much more relaxed way to trade. If you are trading, you should not think about how many dollars you make per trade. Instead, you should focus on the percentage. You will only become a better trader if you block the dollar amount in your head and aim to earn a specific percentage. Now, to put this 20% strategy into action, you need to find a good coin first. This is crucial. Don't follow the hype or listen to what other people say, but look for a coin with a strong, active community and enough volume and liquidity. If nobody buys or sells the token, it will be very hard to scalp it. This is not a strategy to apply to new coins. You want to find a coin that has been around for a while with a market cap of a few $100,000 and some decent trading activity. New coins are way too volatile to scalp, as most are just pump and dump scams. You can use the filters on DEX Screener to find an established meme coin with a serious retracement. In Axiom and also in Padre, you can access DEX Screener without visiting the website, which is pretty handy. Once you have found a good coin, go in and immediately set your take profit and stop loss orders. If you use Padre or Axiom, you can turn on the advanced trading strategy option and let the platform do this automatically for you when you place an order. When done, sit back and relax, and when your coin goes up 20% or 10%, your position will be sold, or just a part of it, depending on your setup. In most trades, I take profit at 20% and my stop loss is set to -15. In other cases, I only sell my initials to lock in my earnings and I let the rest of the coin ride. With your initial investment out, you can let the remaining coins do their thing. It's free money from here on. If you, for example, invest $100 into a coin and a few minutes later it pumps by 20%, you have $120. If you sell your initials, the $100 go back in your portfolio, but you still hold $20 worth of the coin that can continue to grow for free. This scalping strategy is perfect for beginners or traders with a small portfolio. By focusing on risk management and profit taking, you learn the ropes, make some money and have fun along the way, all while protecting your crypto investment. Scalping is like catching small waves at the beach. Lots of quick rides, but you need sharp reflexes and discipline to avoid getting wiped out. 99% of the new coins are absolute trash that will go to zero, so stay away from them. You can hide the new pairs column in Padre or Axiom. Click on the Customize button and hide the column so you don't get distracted by all the garbage. When it comes to Memecoin trading, speed is everything. If you need a fast Telegram trading bot, you can use TradeWiz. I use TradeWiz in combination with Axiom. TradeWiz is lightning fast. It lets you buy a coin directly off of a tweet, and you can also see if a profile has posted a coin address already. You can even use the TradeWiz extension to see how many KOLs are following a popular trader and fetch their trading wallet to analyze their trades. To install the free extension, sign up for TradeWiz using my link in the description below and open the bot in Telegram. Click the extension button to install the TradeWiz Chrome browser extension on your PC. Just click Add to Chrome and you are set. The first thing to do is set up your wallet. Now there are two ways to do this. One is by exporting your existing Axiom wallet in the TradeWiz bot. Go to the portfolio page, click on Export Private Keys and then import your wallet in the bot. Or if you want to trade from your TradeWiz wallet, simply click on Export Private Key, import the wallet into Axiom and you're ready. If it's the first time you import a wallet, you will be asked for a special code. Copy the code that appears in your TradeWiz Telegram bot and paste it in Axiom. Now, as much as I like to trade on Axiom and Padre, TradeWiz is just a lot faster because it skips the middle steps. There's no delay because there are no gas fees and slippage calculations and adjustments to handle like in a normal DEX. As you can see in this infographic, the bot fires transactions directly to the blockchain or the API the moment you tell it to. Okay, let's set up our extension so we can use the bot on Axiom. Click on More Settings to configure the quick buy amounts and the fee settings. There are 3 different presets that you can fill in, depending on how fast you want to get in a trade. When done, don't forget to save your settings. With Auto Trade, you can set up automatic sell features, like if your coin pumps 20%, you can instruct the bot to get you out of your position right away. You can also set your stop loss here or add additional entries. Don't forget to activate the function by clicking this button. The trailing stop loss guarantees you that whenever a coin pumps, your stop loss is going to move up and set your stop 10% below whatever the current price is. Axiom does not have this feature, so be sure to use it to save money on your trades. TradeWiz is very fast and guarantees you better entries. Click the wizard icon and the wallet signals panel will pop up on the left side of your screen. Since TradeWiz has a leading market share when it comes to copy trading, they have a lot of profitable wallets that their users are tracking. In the signals panel you can see all the recent trading calls. TradeWiz will not spam you with calls and they are very consistent. You can see more details by hovering your mouse over a token and find out how many smart wallets are trading the coin and so on. Notice that these calls don't guarantee you a 100% win rate, but you can use the signals to find trending coins and do your own research. Never plain copy trade other wallets, because these wallets will use you as their exit liquidity. I have done it before and I got rugged every time. It sounds so easy. If a top trader makes a move, you think that you can just copy their trades and also make a bunch of money. But by the time your order goes through, they have already sold their position, dumping their bags on you. Just don't do it. Another smart feature of TradeWiz is the Twitter or X checkup. If you find a coin with a Twitter or X account, you can find out if the account has posted a contact address earlier, and you can also see their linked wallets. This is some very useful information that will help you to find out more about their strategy. When a KOL posts something on X or whenever you see a CA posted in your timeline, you can now quickly buy the token from here and boom, your transaction goes through right away. TradeWiz is an amazing trading bot and I highly recommend you to install it on top of Axiom while enjoying all the smart features. Let me know in the comments what you think about Telegram bots like TradeWiz. If you liked this information, please leave a like or subscribe to the channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and see you next time.